Assalamu alaikum. I am Aisha Azhar from your own channel Math Ease, where math become easy. Our today's topic is how to find the cube root of any number. Here are some simple steps which explain that how you can find the cube root of any number. In very first step, you have to suppose the given number that x be the cube root of that given number. In second step, you will take cube on both sides to solve the cube root. Then you will arrange the equation and use the formula of cube, that is a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube according to the question, and solve each factor separately to find the values of x. That will be the cube root of the required number. Now I will explain you this whole process with the help of a simple example in which we are finding the cube root of 8. So following these steps, we will find the cube root of 8. In very first step, we will let that x be the cube root of 8. So we will write x is equal to cube root of 8. What does cube root means? That the power is 1 by 3. Now in very next step, what we will do, we will just take cube on both sides to evaluate the cube root. So by taking cube on both sides, x cube will be equal to 8. Here power 1 by 3 and cube will be cancelled out and we will get 8. Now we will arrange the equation by subtracting 8 on both sides. So we will get the equation x cube minus 8 is equal to 0. Expanding the formula of cube, we will get, here we will first arrange cube as 8 is the cube of 2. So x cube minus 2 cube, and the formula will be x minus 2 into x square minus plus 2x and plus 4 is equal to 0. So here we have opened the formula of a minus b cube, that is equal to a minus b into a square minus plus ab plus b square. Now we will solve each factor to find the value of x. So when putting x minus 2 is equal to 0, we get the value x is equal to 2, and by putting x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0, we get a quadratic equation in which a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 4. We will solve the equation by using the quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. By putting the values in this formula, we will put b is equal to 2, again b is equal to 2, c is equal to 4 and a is equal to 1. Over 2 into 1. Now minus 2 plus minus 2 ka square will be 4 and 4 into 4 will be 16. 4 minus 16 will be equal to minus 12. So here we will get x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root सॉरी माइनस 12 Now we will make the factors of 12, that are 4 and 3. 4 will come out of the square root as 2, and minus 3 square root 2 will left behind. And we will get x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 square root 3 minus 3 by 2. Taking 2 common from the numerator, we will get x is equal to plus 2 minus 1 plus minus square root minus 3 by 2. Now we will find the two roots separately, one with the positive sign and other with the negative sign. So we will consider x is equal to 2 into minus 1 plus square root minus 3 by 2. Since we know that minus 1 plus square root minus 3 by 2 is equal to omega, so the root will be 2 omega. Similarly, we will put x is equal to minus 1 2 times minus 1 minus square root minus 3 by 2, and since we know that minus 1 minus square root minus 3 by 2 is equal to omega square, so putting it value, we will get the 3 cube root of unity, that
now
are 2 omega and 2 omega square.
Simple questions for your practice. As you know, math become easy only because of practice. Minus 8, 27 and minus 64. These are the three numbers for which you have to find their cube roots. यहाँ आपके अपने आंसर को चेक करने के लिए और MCQs में इस क्वेश्चन को इजीली सॉल्व करने के लिए मैं आपको एक शॉर्ट सी हिंट देती हूँ। हिंट ये है कि आपको जो भी नंबर दिया जाएगा वो किसी न किसी नंबर का क्यूब होगा। लाइक 27 इज़ द क्यूब ऑफ 3। तो आपने करना ये है कि जो भी आपका आंसर होगा उसमें एक वैल्यू आपके पास 3 आएगी, एक 3 ओमेगा आएगी और एक 3 ओमेगा स्क्वायर आएगी। तो इस तरह से जो भी आपको नंबर दिया जाएगा वो नंबर इटसेल्फ नंबर विद ओमेगा एंड नंबर विद ओमेगा स्क्वायर आपके पास आंसर में आएगा। तो इस तरह आप इसको MCQs में भी इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। होपफुली ये टॉपिक मैथ ईज़ की हेल्प से आपके लिए इजी बन चुका होगा।